Ki Pulit jangka West Khasi District, mentakasi kakan tarik undang pra arja repulai, ki dalam balik sim ya kamet yap, jong wei Nonghikai ubala Khlaw akan syak bom pakai nuluti menin kasengi. Unia Nonghikai ulah syak bom menin kasengi kat ba udongan paina Nongstoin. Hadin balde bansai pisan nabang kat ba wei par pro jong u pakatang SR3. Kini kilon pai da motor bike ndiha bakim poi hete ke jaka. Hajan kawat tersung kebetan jang kasenang nonglang. Ami kansan katungan ngot ki beri ki bom la banitu kila bom kila tit yaki. Haka ba usang ma ulak lonia baju kat ba SR3 par ulama saujur bola pet nagatai ke jaka. Nomor ketiga jaka kabla syak bom syak tiit kini ke angot lalap lu ya kam motor bike ha kini ke angot kila syong hadian berkilamut menlik pai nak sali selasem hadian berkilon pai na pot Nongstoin. Layu i berkata ke jaka hakaba kini ke angot kala syak bom kala sakti ke diga jaka ka bakham Nongklau ba ke babun ba ki ding ba ka kham penjaru. Mandi ini kan diga tahu ba imat kini ke runar ke tip ya ke jingan simpisa kini ke angot kala ketam lepa hakatai ke jaka. Hamar ba ki pagi jaka kala ti kala bom ba lalap lu ikin narot ya ke bala pundan kam. De kini ke runar ban bom mati ya kini ke angot. Pulit kila pelong gajing toket ke babna ba kila pelong gajing Thwet ake benta juga ke Khlaw ba kila tentu di ke pai ba ke biar jing tip ye sepang kini ke angot man ajing tip seki Pulit mana kala ke Pulit kini mithu setia kini ke ba ajing tip ni ke belan jing tip halo jong katai ke jingja. Ya kamet jong sang mala penkit no Shah Civil Hospital Nongstoin banda kaliang jong ki paran hikai ki behikai lang ba usang ma kilapan pau ke jing sokhya ba ke jing sosi ka bajur halo kan ke jing syak penyap dusman jong paran hikai jong ki kilapan kan maru bolong beri ubo jai bon non dak sdi e ru em ba kila keno ru ba ke jing ja ka kata ba ya ka jinglang jingman ba ke jing sung sengan jong hikai ki behikai ha ketika skol ke badan hagi than aradunga.
From Sapara Deficit UP School, and Sri Thangthon Arsangma has been my colleague for the past 10 years or so, and he has been a very nice person, adjustable, social, and it was only yesterday that we have received an information at around 5 that someone from my area has been brutally murdered on his way back home from Nongstoin, and on inquiring it was found that he was one of my colleagues, and then immediately we made necessary arrangements to come here with the relatives, with the family members, and so on. And talking about Sri Thangthon Arsangma, he has been, as I have said, very social, understanding, and he comes from a very respectable background. and I don't think he has got any enmity that has forced him to fall into this kind of situation. That is all I can say about it.
Any suspect?
No, we don't have any suspicion also.